When previewing your home, we'll walk through each room taking detailed notes. This step allows us to understand the unique features and potential selling points of your property. Next, we'll use these insights to create a customized plan for preparing your home for the market. This may include minor repairs or upgrades, decluttering, deep cleaning, or other improvements that can enhance your home's appeal to potential buyers. Our team is proud to offer our full-service listing guarantee. We handle everything from cleaning, staging, providing digital and print marketing strategies, as well as paid ads on your home to highlight its best features. We will also capture professional photos, videos, and drone, all included in our listing package. We understand that selling your home is a big decision, and our goal is to make the process as seamless and as successful as possible for you. Our history of transactions, client success, and 5-star reviews show that we put in the work for our sellers to ensure satisfaction at every step.